Back kick to knee up exercise, sometimes called a rear kick to front knee drive. It's a dynamic lower body and core move that combines glute activation, balance, and core engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide. How to do back kick to knee up. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Engage your core and keep chest lifted. 2. Back kick face. Shift weight onto your left leg. Extend your right leg straight back, squeezing your glutes like a donkey kick but standing. Keep torso slightly leaned forward but don't arch your lower back. 3. Knee up face. Drive the same right leg forward and upward, bending the knee toward your chest. Keep balance on your standing leg. Use your arms naturally, opposite arm drive, like running motion, to help balance. 4. Repeat. Perform 8 to 15 reps on one side, then switch legs. Keep movements controlled and steady. Muscles worked. Glutes. Gluteus maximus, medius, minimus, during back kick. Hamstrings, assistant kick. Hip flexors and quads during knee up. Core, abs and obliques, for balance and stability. Calves and ankles, stabilizers and standing leg, benefits. Strengthens glutes and hip flexors. Improves balance and coordination. Builds explosive power, great for athletes and runners. Engages core for stability. Can be used in HIIT or warm-up routines. Tip: start slow to master control. For more intensity, you can add a jump with the knee up, plyometric version. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.